Hey guys, please make sure you stand till the end. People make one common mistake that will destroy the engine. You will end up rebuilding or replacing it, which can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Super quick and helpful video to any of you having a BMW X3 X4. Excuses for the noise, that's a self-bleeding procedure going on now, but we will explain how to replace, guys, engine air filter. Stay with us, we'll explain how to do that on the 3.0 6-cylinder engine. That's the X-Drive 35i or X-Drive M40i as well, guys. We'll explain what you need to do, how to access it, how to remove it, how to replace it, common problems and codes and engine life. The drivetrain malfunction can be activated by the refilter. We'll talk about that as well. So let's start on it now. So before we start, let us guys tell a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you guys how to fix multiple things. We fix engines, we fix, guys, transmissions, we fix bodywork. We show you how to fix engine codes, fuses, relays. We take them completely apart. We make at least 200 videos on every car. Why we do that? Because our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can by providing that information. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. Check out our YouTube channels. We guys have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. And if you need to buy parts, tools, to fix your cars, we're going to share the information in the description of the video below. Let's start on it now. So, guys, by the way, if you have a dirty air filter on your BMW X3 X4, you can easily get drivetrain malfunction warning, especially if you're accelerating hard at higher altitude, because the engine will be starving for oxygen, practically for air. And that can be caused by a dirty, plugged up engine oil filter. Also, you may get codes for low boost pressure due to the fact that the engine is not able to get enough air. We had that happen to us one time on BMW when we were in Colorado, high in the mountains, accelerating for a long time on a pass at the full open throttle, and the car was starving for air, so we even got a code that said low air volume, guys. So always make sure you change those on time. So what do we guys need to do here? Pretty simple, guys. Okay, we're going to go ahead. We're still bleeding the cooling system here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws that we need to remove. Now, never use impact or anything like that because that's plastic here. I want to remove one of them. Okay, they cannot come off, to make sure that it doesn't fall in the engine. If everything's fine, they shouldn't come off. Now, if somebody worked on it the wrong way, that may cause them to come off too. So you can actually even hear, guys, the pump is going like nuts now, but you can hear the air bubbles going through the coolant tank now. Sorry for the noise, but we are in a hurry to do things, and we want to show you guys and emphasize how important it is to actually bleed the cooling system on those BMWs, the self-bleeding procedure, otherwise you may destroy your engine. So yeah, we're working on that one now. And we just have, what do we have, 2 more screws that we need to remove here. Okay, we're getting there, guys. Okay, perfect, we're on that part now. Now I'm going to get a screwdriver and we're going to pre-loosen that clamp here in the back. Okay, like that. We're going to lift it up. Okay, and now pull the filter out, guys. Okay, BMW man filter. Okay, that might be even original one, I don't know, it's pretty dirty, guys. Now if I throw that filter on the ground, okay, watch all the contamination that falls off of it, guys. So that can cause the car to be starving, okay, for air as well. So let's go ahead and install the new one. Now if you have leaf stuff here, that will be the time to clean it, get a vacuum, suck everything, make sure nothing fell in the intake manifold, because that can destroy your engine as well. So we're getting the new filter, guys, okay, and we lift it up. We're going to go ahead, get everything situated, make sure that it goes good. Wow, that's a really tight fit, that's amazing. Okay, everything looks great. Just to make sure that, okay, It's supposed to go where it goes, right? Yep. Now we're going to go ahead and tighten everything. Okay, so first we're going to tighten these bolts, and don't forget to do the hose clamp in the back. It's really nice if you go in a cross pattern. So you don't put pressure on one side of the filter, only on the seal. So go kind of like in a cross pattern and like X. Now we come to this side. You have a little bit more resistance trying to get them tight because it's compressing the new gasket on the filter. Okay, and we're working on that one now. So you can see this one's practically almost ready, guys. Okay, perfect. So the filter has been replaced. Next, we need to go ahead and tighten the hose clamp right here. Okay, perfect. Everything's good here. Let me just, okay, the cover goes here, so everything's good. Okay, make sure it's not loose and that hose not loose too. So we're done with that filter replacement. So that's how you guys replace the engine air filter on BMW X3 X4, not very complicated at all. If you have any questions, you want to see anything else specific on BMW, any repair or any car, let us know, guys. We make videos all the time. We're here to help you as much as we can. If we have time, we'll try to make specific video for your problem. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.